Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying MIUI and backing up crucial data so you can undo changes if needed. Open Settings and go straight to Apps, right arrow Manage Apps. Find Google Play Store and Google Play Services. Once done, tap each app to view permissions, notifications, and storage options. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and that battery optimization won't interrupt the process. You're now ready to clear caches, disable notifications, and access advanced settings for ad control without delay. You clear cache and storage for Play Store and Google Play Services to remove cached ad preferences. This reduces repeat promos. Then disable Play Store notifications and any in-app promotional settings inside the store. Next, open Google Settings, right arrow Ads and toggle off ad personalization, and reset your advertising ID for a clean slate. Once done, check app permissions and revoke unnecessary data access that can feed ad profiles, and make sure auto updates still function as you prefer. You finish by adjusting auto update and using a minimal launcher or trusted ad-free alternatives to reduce ad exposure in the UI. If Play Store ads persist, force stop the app, reboot the phone, and reapply the earlier steps, clearing cache and resetting the advertising ID again. Make sure system-level ad services in MIUI, promotions, or recommendations are turned off in additional settings. One key troubleshooting tip: Safe Mode helps identify whether a third-party app.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.